All right, I'm going to work this out. Day 43, how many? We've got these two arrays, words 1, words 2, and they get sent to all end eat and how many eat. I'm going to do how many eat first. So I'm going to say int count equals 0 for string w in words if w dot substring. Now I need to get the last 3 characters. So let's try w dot length minus 3. So if that piece of text dot equals quote ing, EAT, then we're going to add 1 to count. And then when this thing is over, we're going to return count because it's an int. So we're going to run our code, and we should get false, false, 8, 10. And that's because 3 of these things don't end in eat, and there were 11. And this was 10 things, and they all end in EAT. So my numbers were wrong. By the time you see them, they'll be right. So don't worry about that. I just hadn't written the solution yet. Now, check this out. We're going to use this method in this method. In fact, we can do it on one line. Return how many eat words equal words.length. Isn't that insane? That means if the number that end in eat is the same number as how long it is, it'll return true. Otherwise, it'll return false. And it didn't work. I spelled it wrong. How many eat is... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Capital EAT. And that does say false, true, and 8 and 10. So alternatively, you could, just for the record, and I'll show you another way to do it. Can't have them both be in there at the same time, but you could instead say Boolean fail equals false. So we're setting up a flag variable, and then we could say for string w in words if w substring dot w dot length minus 3 dot equals EAT. But if we put a not symbol in front, that means if it doesn't end in eat, then we change fail to true. And then at the end here, we can just return fail, and it'll either be true or false. Now, that's the opposite. So then here we'd have to say if not fail, or we could just return not fail, because we're returning the opposite of anyway, that's funky. I like my first solution much better. But because I told you this would work, let's make sure it works. And false and then true. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, My first way's better. Much more, much tighter, cleaner, neater.